In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text, remove extraneous formatting and code, apply bold, italics, and underline, create bulleted and numbered lists, emphasize parts of your text with block quotes, link to other pages, add special characters, give your page headings, insert tables, and use images to give your pages visual impact. The WYSIWYG Editor is most commonly used for editing basic pages, but you're going to see it everywhere in Webpack. The features of the WYSIWYG are intentionally limited to ensure continuity between Faculty of Medicine departments. For this demonstration, I'll start by creating a new basic page. And it's the body field in basic pages that uses the WYSIWYG Editor. We'll start by pasting some text. First, navigate to the source of your text. I'm going to be using a Word document. Select the text you want to paste. In Windows, you do this by holding the left mouse button, dragging over the text, and then letting go of the left mouse button. Then you right-click and copy. Next, left-click on this button, Paste as plain text. It's just right of center on the toolbar. Paste it in the window and left-click on the green OK button at the bottom of the page. You need to use this feature when you're adding text in the WYSIWYG Editor. It removes any additional formatting that you can bring in from other sites or from Microsoft Word documents. If you forget to use this feature, or you notice any irregularities in the font size as you're editing, you can select the pasted text and click Remove Format. This is also right of center on the toolbar. When you've pasted your text into the page, you can add simple formatting like bold, italics, or underline. Format a list of items with bullets or numbers by selecting those items and left-clicking on either the bullets or the numbers button on the left side of the toolbar. If you want to set aside part of your text as a block quote, select the text and click the block quote button in the middle of the toolbar. You can add internal links to other pages on your site, external links, or an email address. To do this, select the word or words that you want to link and click the link button near the left side of the toolbar. When you do this, a small link window will appear, and you can see that the link type defaults to internal path. In the link box, type the title of the page that you want and select the correct content from the list by left-clicking with your mouse, then left-clicking the green OK button at the bottom of the window. If you need to edit a link that you've created, select the link and right-click on your mouse. You can left-click on either Unlink or Edit Link. If your link is external to your site, highlight the text you want to link and click the link icon. When the link box opens, select the link type URL from the drop-down. The link protocol will default to HTTP, and in most cases, you can leave this. Type or paste your URL into this field. With an external link, you want to change one other thing, and that will be under Target. You'll see that the target is not set, and that means that any link will open in the same window that you're viewing. You don't want the person visiting your site to be redirected off of your site, so there is a way to prevent that. For an external link, you want to change the target to New Window. This will open a second tab, but leave your site active as well. Then, click the green OK button at the bottom of the box. When your page needs special characters like accents or scientific symbols, you can find a selection under Insert Special Characters. If you left-click on the Insert Special Character button near the right side of the toolbar, a small window will appear, allowing you to insert a special character by left-clicking on it. The special character will appear wherever your cursor was located in the body section. Create headings to emphasize your text using styles. Select the text you want to emphasize, left-click on the Styles button on the right-hand side of the toolbar, and choose a new style from the available list by left-clicking on it. Tables can also be inserted by left-clicking on the Tables button, and that's located on the far right side of the toolbar. A Tables window will appear where you can indicate the number of rows and columns that you'd like. Left-click on the green OK button at the bottom of this window, and the table will be added. From there, you can display your information in a crisp-looking format. Rows and cells can be added or removed by right-clicking on a row or a cell in the table that you've inserted. Media like images, YouTube videos, and PDF files can be embedded into your pages. To add an image, left-click on the Add Media button, and that's the last button on the far right side of the toolbar. Then the Media window will appear. You can upload an image from your desktop by left-clicking on the Upload button. This allows you to browse your computer for the file that you want. To add an image from the library, left-click on the Library tab, left-click on the image you want to add to the page, and left-click on the Submit button. Ensure that the alt text and title text are populated correctly, and then left-click the Submit button again. Then, use Styles to determine the size and the placement of the image on the page. Select the image by left-clicking it, then left-click the Styles button on the right side of the toolbar. Left-click to choose the size and the placement option from the list. Now I'm going to left-click the Save button at the bottom of this page to save the edits. And here you can see our text with no formatting brought in from Word, bold, italics, and underline. There's our bulleted or numbered list. That block quote makes our sentence nice and prominent. Here's our link to another page. We added a special character to the end of a name. We've got headings, a table, and our image is right at the end. For additional Webpack resources, please visit the Discovery Commons website.